Hi, this is a brief tutorial on showing you how you can navigate your scan project inside VirtuSurv. Here you see the welcome screen of VirtuSurv. If you don't have your own VirtuSurv project already, you can try VirtuSurv with an example project. Hit this button and you reach a website where you can download a sample project. I have already some projects in here on my recent project list, so I will start a project by clicking on its entry in the list, and you can see it has several scans. We have the project explorer on the left hand side as well as a scan map, and if I click on a ball in the scan map, you see that the scan is highlighted in the project explorer. I can open the scan by double-clicking on it in the Project Explorer. Takes a few seconds, and I can also open several scans by marking them using Control or Shift button and right-clicking on them and select True Color. We also have intensity coloring. Let us open the True Color view, and you see the inside of a building over here, and you can zoom in to the scan view by scrolling with the mouse wheel in and scrolling the mouse wheel you get out. If you hold the mouse wheel down, you can see the hand and you can pan the scan view up and down and to the left and to the right. Okay, if for some reason scrolling, panning with a hold down mouse wheel doesn't work, you can just press Control and the right mouse button, and you see the cursor turns into a hand once more and you can start panning. In the scan map on the left, lower left, you can see you can also zoom in and out using the mouse wheel, but yeah, and you can also pan even if the cursor does not turn into a hand right here. And you can from the shape of the balls you can see whether a scan is opened and which scan is active at the moment. And if you go into the scan view, zoom in and out, you will notice that the current scan shows also the opening angle and the direction. See here. So you can see if you want to navigate to the neighbor scan, you can click here and open it by clicking there. So now we're in the neighbor scan, we can zoom in and out using the mouse wheel. We can also arrange the scan windows pressing on one of these tile buttons. We have them side by side. And we can also go back to the full screen. If we want to close all scan windows because we have too many open, we can just hit this button, close all scan views, and once more I will open a few of them in True Color view, and you have them here. Here you can see a hall. We're zooming in and out. We can take measurements for the width of the hall. You can see here the horizontal distance is 1.5 meters. Of course, you can always change the units and measure in a different unit. And if you have a license of VirtuSurv, you can also use the direct links to AutoCAD, Revit or BricsCAD, or use the generic link to any Windows application. If you don't have a license of VirtuSurv and just want to use it as a viewer, you can measure coordinates or distances, but you can also export scan data to point clouds. Of course, you can always view the scan data very nicely and quick and fast in a very intuitive display of the scans. We also do have field book option for those who are using total stations with coded point lists. You can also use the scan data now and create coded point lists for your familiar workflow. This is what I wanted to show you today. Thanks for your attention.